Hello, everyone. Welcome to the BIM Practice Online Classroom. Families are the basis of a Revit model, and various elements are composed of corresponding families and their types. We can easily manage and modify building models by using the family tools to add standard and customized elements to these models. Proficiency in family commands is the basis for creating 3D family models. In this lesson, we will explain how to utilize the Revolve command based on real cases. The task is to accomplish the vase and round table models according to the dimensions given in the figure. In this lesson, you will learn to analyze the composition of forms by combining the features of the Revolve command so that you can master the skills of creating simple models. You will also develop the habit of reading drawings properly and cultivate a spirit of continuous pursuit of excellence. Task requirements. Create a form of the vase according to the given dimensions. Before modeling, perform a form analysis and select appropriate commands for different forms. As this model is a revolve form, first we find the axis of revolution. As shown in the figure, the axis of revolution is the center perpendicular line of the vase. Then we find its section profile. In the elevation view, the closed arc on one side of the axis of revolution is the profile of the vase. The command available is the solid revolve command. How to create the model. Create a new family file. Select the generic metric model. Save it to the specified location and name it Vase. Set the view to front elevation view in the project browser. In order to draw the profile, we need to position it by the grid line. Click the Reference Line Command button in the Create tab to enter the Modify Place Reference Line interface. Select the Pick Line button and modify the offsets according to the grid line spacing. Enter the offset 50 and select the target grid line. Enter the offset 25 and select the target grid line. Enter the offset 15 and select the target grid line. Enter the offset 25 and select the target grid line. Enter the offset 5 and select the target grid line. That completes the drawing of grid lines. Click the Revolve button in the Create tab to access the Modify, Create Revolve interface. Click the Tangent End Arc button and complete the drawing of the profile of the vase on one side at the key points of the grid line. Click the Offset button and enter the offset 5 to continue the closure of the profile. Click the grid line button to draw the axis of revolution, which is the central grid line. Then click the check mark button to confirm. That completes the creation of the vase model. Click the default 3D view button in the title block. Select the vase model. Choose Material in the Properties panel, open the Material browser. Select the material named Glass, and set the glass appearance, material, and color. Select the visual style, view the modeling, and check the model. That completes the creation of the 3D vase model. Task 2. Create a round table model. Create a 3D model of the round table according to the given dimensions. Before modeling, perform a form analysis and select appropriate commands for different forms. As this model is a revolve form, find the axis of revolution first. As shown in the figure, the axis of revolution is the center perpendicular line of the round table. Then, you need to find the section profile. In the elevation, one side of the axis of revolution is the profile of the round table, which is divided into two parts, the upper glass table top and the lower wooden table stand. Now we can create the model using the solid revolve command. Create a new family file, select the generic metric model. Save it to the specified location and name it round table. Set the view to front elevation view in the project browser. Click the Revolve button in the Create tab to access the Modify, Create Revolve interface. Click the Line command and complete the drawing of the closed profile according to the graphic dimensions. Click the Arc Angle command. The Fillet Arc command, and the Spline command in turn. That completes the drawing of the table stand profile. Click the Grid Line button and draw the axis of revolution as the central grid line. Click the check mark button to confirm. That completes the creation of the lower part model. Click the Revolve button in the Create tab. Use the Line command to complete the closed profile according to the graphic dimensions. Click the Grid Line button to draw the axis of revolution, and click the check mark button to confirm. That completes the creation of the upper part model. Select the lower part model, select Material in the Properties panel, open the Material browser, create a new material named Wood, and set the appearance, material, and color. Select the upper part model, select Material in the Properties panel, open the Material browser, and create a new material named Glass. That completes the creation of the 3D roundtable model. In this lesson, we learned how to use the Revolve command and set material parameters based on 2 model cases, and mastered the connection between the form analysis and the commands. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time.